delicious pasta recipe. Try nyo na!
Here's a simple and delicious 4-ingredient pasta recipe that you can make in no time. Ingredients: 1 pound of pasta, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 14 ounces, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. 1. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions until it is al dente. Drain and set aside. 2. In a large saucepan, heat the crushed tomatoes over medium heat. Bring the sauce to a boil and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. 3. Stir in the heavy cream into the sauce and let it heat through for about 2 to 3 minutes, until the sauce has thickened slightly. 4. Stir in the grated Parmesan cheese and mix until it has melted into the sauce. 5. Add the cooked pasta to the saucepan and toss to coat the pasta evenly with the sauce. Serve the pasta hot, garnished with additional Parmesan cheese and freshly chopped parsley, if desired. Enjoy your delicious and easy pasta dinner. Thanks for watching.